Each woman has her favorite method of DIY hair removal, whether it be the classic razor, waxing, electric epilator or depilatory cream. Despite everything, the disposable women's razor remains a tool that everyone has used at least once, due to its ease of use, its cheapness, and the speed with which it allows an optimal result. When you are buying a disposable razor, there are many aspects that need to be evaluated. First of all, the number of blades. On the market there are products with 2, 3, 4 and even 5 blades. The difference? A good razor must have at least 3 blades. Razors with just 2 blades are now obsolete and outdated, so you should not even consider one. The more blades a razor has, the longer it will last. Next, the handle, the grip, the heads, whether they are swinging or fixed, the possibility of using it dry, your type of skin, the capacity of changing heads, and of course the price. Gillette Venus Snap Embrace. Gillette Venus Snap Embrace is the best-selling disposable razor on Amazon. Compact and portable, thanks to the handy pouch it comes with, it fits into a handbag, so it is perfect for any occasion. It is equipped with 5 blades that manage to reach even the most difficult areas, while ensuring a deep shave and longer-lasting results than traditional razors. There are 2 moisturizing bars that activate with water to allow for smooth hair removal, while simultaneously nourishing the skin. The handle is small and easy to grip. Pro. All women who have used this product agree that this is a high-quality razor and can last for a long time. The 5 blades allow for a deep and perfect shave. In addition, the protective sidebars don't irritate the skin. The price-to-quality ratio is also great, because although the starting cost is higher than other disposable razors, this one has a longer lifespan. Thanks to its mini size, you can easily put it in the gym bag or in your handbag. Finally, a characteristic that shouldn't be underestimated is its ability to use for dry shaving. Against. Some women complain that for a perfect shave it requires several passes. In addition, spearheads are not readily available in all physical stores. In conclusion, the Gillette Venus Snap Embrace is recommended, especially to those that need an easy-to-use and small-to-carry around razor, but for exclusive use at home, you can find better. Wilkinson Sword Intuition. The Wilkinson Sword Intuition razor differs from the traditional ones for its unique and exclusive design. This product has 4 blades and 2 moisturizing bars, one above and one below, which allow for a dry shave without the need for soap or gel. It is ideal for all those who have dry skin, since both bars contain coconut milk and almond oil that leaves the skin smooth, soft, and hydrated enough to avoid pimples and cutlets. The advanced technology of the embedded moisturizing soap dispensers that activate with water makes this razor one of the best sellers ever. In a single pass, it soaps, moisturizes and shaves. The sales price is slightly higher than average, but you should consider that the package also contains 3 replacement heads. Pro. All the women that have tried it seem enthusiastic, and agree that this razor is unique and decidedly a must-buy, thanks to the patented technology that allows you to shave, and at the same time moisturize the skin. The skin remains soft for a longer time, and shaving becomes easier since you don't have to make several passes in order to achieve an optimal result. The Wilkinson Sword Intuition is the perfect razor for those with dry skin, because it protects from irritations and abrasions. Against. Surely the biggest disadvantage is that once you run out of soap inside the bars, it is no longer suitable for those with really sensitive skin. Also, some women are not satisfied with the blades that wear out too fast, and therefore the pricey heads need to be replaced with a certain frequency. All this contributes to the above-average price, and not everyone is willing to spend so much on a disposable razor. Gillette Venus Oceana. This is the most used razor from women, and has a satisfaction rating of over 80% according to Amazon. The Gillette Venus Oceana razor allows for smooth and soft legs in one pass. It is equipped with 3 blades, and soft protective pads for accurate and precise hair removal. In addition, the pads are enriched with the essence of aloe vera, that further protects your skin. It has a rounded, flexible, and oscillating head, that lets you reach the most difficult areas of the body, such as armpits, ankles, and knees. As for the handle, this is the classic Gillette Venus handle, smooth and ergonomic, that guarantees a firm and secure grip. The end result is a smooth skin for a long time, without cuts and abrasions. Pro. The first thing to praise about this razor is the rotating head, that can easily reach all the parts of the body. In addition, it has a great value. In the package, you will find 4 Venus Oceana razors, that can last really long. Finally, the long handle allows for easy and secure grip. The rubber part towards the end is anti-slip, and helps you avoid scratches and abrasions. This turns out to be the most versatile, and most positively reviewed razor by women. Against. The major drawback is that this product is not recommended to those with sensitive skin. In fact, it does not allow for a dry shave. In addition, during the first uses, many women complain that the blades are extra sharp, and therefore you need to moisturize your skin very well, or risk having to deal with unpleasant cutlets and pimples. Wilkinson Sword Quattro for women. The Wilkinson Sword Quattro is a great disposable razor for women, with 3 replacement heads included in the package. This ultra-thin razor is equipped with 4 blades for a deep and long-lasting shave. In addition, the sidebars are enriched with exotic extracts of papaya and pearl, that keep your skin soft and hydrated. The handle is firm and precise, and the razor is equipped with a swivel head that facilitates the use in difficult areas of the body. Pro. Shaving with this razor is top-notch. The performance is great, and it is intelligently designed to remove all hair with a single pass. The product also lasts quite long. In addition, thanks to the papaya extract, it does not irritate the skin, and this makes it perfect even for those with sensitive skin. Finally, the price is affordable considering its durability. Against. The replacement heads are difficult to come by in dedicated shops and supermarkets. Having said that, this razor does not appear to have any other drawbacks, and all the women who have used it recommend it. In fact, many of them have not changed since, praising its high performance and its average price.